Alright peeps, see there now? Get me little eatings and stuff, see there? Banana bread and a cinnamon roll and a cranberry water. So you know what that mean now? Just get a little snack for munch pan and move on out of here. So catch you on the beach side, alright? We are back at it again, guys. See there now, headed down to the beach side. Alright, so we're on the beach here. So some of the people now live and everybody gonna find. See Alex around the corner? That's it. Alright peeps, so guess what? I'll catch you on the point, alright? It's a little journey we have right here on the sand, so you see around here. Alright guys, so you want now reach on the point, you know, yeah? But me a quick make a set up my line and stuff because see as soon as we get a bait, I put it on right away. So I see if I can cast two bait, you know, but I want to make sure say at least one line out there so I catch a bait, we can put it on and waste no time. You understand what I mean? Yeah, so I just quick and set up this one. And we can set up this one and set up the other one. Then we go. If I see the bait them now, I could have cast them still. But I don't see none yet, so a quick setup. Put out at least one of the rod them in the holder. So whenever. Alright, so this one, I put this one down to the front here, so down to the front. Let's put this one right here, so I'll put this one right here, so yeah. Fish on, brother, fish on. Fish on. What kind of fish is that one? Let's see what kind of fish this is. Don't get away, you know. Feel like a little snapper still, you know. Alright, a little mangrove snapper. Alright peeps. Boy, I see there, finally a little mangrove. See there? Must reach about 10 inches there. That's it. Eat up the whole bang, you know, man. That's a man. That's a man. What going on, sir? That's it. So let the bang to right. Mangrove. That's how much you measure now. See now, measuring time. Right? Measure. Come here, man. Come here. Don't even think about that. Come here. Stay right there. See there, guys? See that? 11 inches. Past the 10 inches mark. 11. So, put him at the box, right? Yeah, man. Right at the box. Another live bait. Another bang again and send him out. Right? That is it. Hold on, man. Hold on. Where you deal with? Hold on. Take off. Put this down on top of that. Eh? Put on another one now. See that now? Another bang on the move. Alright guys, so see there now, another bang. Just catch a snapper with this one. 11 inches mangrove. So we're going to put out this one again, alright? So let's go. Alright, so out there. Alright. Alright, so guys, we'll get back to you, alright? Fish on. Yes, turn back this. Turn back. Kenapa? Tekan asal light depan ni. Tekan asal light depan ni. Turn back.
Turn back.
Oh. Come on. Boy, I tell you that one to get you. I said that one to get you a while ago, man. You want to give me a hard one a while ago and get you some of the set out back the road a while ago. Alright, so here just a too long reach here, so you must fight a turn back round or something. I can't bother with the turn back thing, so right now it's not for me to deal with, so that's why I stay right there, so we can't bother with the turn back thing. Alright, so come back to you guys, alright? Alright, so let's cut the bait in a two. I cut this bait in a two and just set on 1 pound one rod, 1 pound the other rod. This one I put on this rod. Right? I put on this one on this one. Just run it through the back right here, so come through and run it back right down in the middle. And just let it come through like that, see that? One. Live bait finished now, so I use cut bait. All of the live bait them finished, so cut bait time, you know. See there? Half a bang. Yeah man. Use some cut bait now, you know. You see it? I run the one here like a special way. Alright, now listen now. Come back through the mouth, right? Go right down through the gill. Alright. And then I just put it right up in the back right here, so like thick part of the meat, and carry it all the way back down to that. Put it right back through and put it underneath there. So I hide the eye of the hook right under the mouth, not the fish mouth. See there? So this is how I put it. I know some of always hook it still, you know? I'll throw it out now. This one first. Then the other one second. So throw this one out, so out there. Alright. Want it sinking. The current I wash right out to deep sea. So I wash out to Lime Key. That direction. So I hold it, make it sink right there when the drop already, right? So set the drag now and put him back up. Put him back up, put him back up. Put him back up, so put down the one here. Alright, so go and settle down and we'll come back now. We'll put on the light on the one here. Or the light? Oh, it's the light here. So the light, put on the light. Alright, so that one there set up alright now. I'm going to choke the other one now. That's it, that one alright, yeah? One look alright. So, alright, next one. This one now. Alright, so that is one. That is two. Sink already, alright. Touch button already. Alright, so put this back up here so now. Alright, that's it now. Yeah, 2 right out now. Let's see now. Let me get in a run now. Still setting out cut bait now, same way. Not getting any more run for the night. Still waiting to get another run still in about. Not getting lucky at all. Oh man, you're not getting lucky at all. Waiting another run, same way still. Tell you boy. But we're setting out cut bait now. Live bait finished and we're using cut bait. So we don't know what we can pick up now with the cut bait, alright? So we're just still hang around and wait now and see what is happening, alright? So we'll soon come back to you guys. Right now them thing here just all over the place. The weed from the line, all kind of something happen right here so now. Alright, now check out the line here and see what's going on. Hold on. Weed. What a weed upon the line here now. What's going on? Hold on. What's going on here? Some weed? Right, take up the light. Light. Let drop off into the water, you know, because if you make it drop off the right, salt. Alright, I'll check it and see for the weed. Come on, weed full up the line to right. Take off some of the weed off, right. Alright guys, so we'll soon come back here, alright? So stay tuned. Yeah. So let's start out to the weed here on the line soon. Weed, a whole for weed, man. Come up on the line now. Alright, see there now, whole of our weeds guys, see there? Yeah, the weed tonight. Yeah. Whole of our weed. So people, here what now? I move in and move out, you know. See there? We'll pack up and everything. Carry away, so nothing will go on tonight, right?
Another day,
yeah man. I'll leave out of this place here, man. See there? Why enough work, but I saw it going, you know? Pack up and everything.
Another fight.
Oh, let me take up the sand spike. Yeah, let's put sand spike. That's it. So people, you what now?
Kill stingray though.
Yeah. You catch one big stingray, but I don't bother show the people of that. But anyhow peeps, take it easy, man. See you guys in the next one. Fish on every time.